What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Austin. In today's video, it was supposed to be a vlog, just a regular Monday showing you a busy day me and Riley were working in the morning, had some stuff to do during the afternoon, a lot of calls to make, and then a coaching call at night. You're gonna see all of that in a second. But it didn't go as planned. We were thrown a really huge curveball when Instagram literally disabled my account completely. It happened to come on a day where we were not only dropping a really great free piece of content on YouTube that I wanted to use Instagram to help, drive traffic to and hype it up, but it also happened on a day that we were announcing a webinar. It's a week from today. Today is Wednesday that I'm filming this. It's a week from today, so it was about a week and a half before the webinar is gonna happen. We were supposed to start pushing that as well. So Instagram kind of pulled the rug from underneath us, but I wanna show you guys what happened, show you behind the scenes, show you how my day started here and slowly went like this as it went on. So check out the footage. What's up everybody, welcome back to the vlog. So today it's Monday. We've got a lot of news going on. We've got a busy day planned. But first, let me just show you this. Argentina had a surprise in their election last night, which caused dollar-denominated bonds to fall about 17%, and it caused USD to ARS to rise about 37% in one overnight session, which is, you can see, comparative to previous days, just a huge amount of movement. So what that means for those of you that don't understand what currency trading is or what Forex is, basically, yesterday you could have exchanged one US dollar for about 45 to 46 Argentinian pesos. Today, because of this surprise election and because of how the market is reacting to that news, you can now exchange your $1 for about 60 pesos. So overnight, just a massive change. Right, if you zoom out, you can show them. Look how small each day is. The change was very, very slow. It's been, if we zoom out, honestly, if we're gonna talk about it, you can see over time it's been slowly rising from 16 to 20 over the course of the last 2 years. But recently you can see just over the last basically 6 hours or so, we've caught the biggest one-day move, it looks like, in the history of this currency pair, which is crazy. But that's the macroeconomic climate that we're really living in. Between this and Brexit, Venezuela, the US and China trade war, all of these events, it's a great time to be active in the markets. You're seeing bigger moves, like I just showed you, more than you've ever seen in history on some pairs. So that's that. Past that, you guys can see we're in the new setup. We put the shelf up yesterday, put the letters up. It looks good. We've got the curtains closed right now because we're about to shoot a MetaTrader video, a little how-to tutorial on how to use MetaTrader, set up your indicators and things like that. I've had a lot of questions from you guys about that. So when we shoot videos in here, we close the curtains, kind of get it all set up. I'll turn the TV down a little bit, but that's why we have one of the screens off and the ring light on and the whole thing. So now you guys get a little behind the scenes of that, but we'll do a full desk tour once I feel like this is done. I get a little bit more decoration up there. So that's that. Next thing, we've got to do a call right now, right before I start filming this MetaTrader video. And then in an hour, at about 12 o'clock, the chapter 2 of our course is dropping for free on YouTube, which is very exciting because a lot of people have been, asking me questions about what's in the course, what can I look forward to, where should I start? Is it good for beginners? Is it good for advanced? This free chapter that I'm putting out there, it's like 25 minutes or so. I'm going to link it below and link it up here. This free chapter is going to kind of answer all of that and give you a really good starting foundational base of knowledge to move forward and say, yeah, this is like something I really am interested in. I want to take this a step further, or maybe this isn't for you. But I think hopefully the way that I explain it motivates you and gets you excited and makes you want to start and want to learn more. So that's why I decided to put the chapter out for free. A lot of the information in the chapter is available online in other people's words, like other people say it. I think that coming from my mouth, it's going to be the easiest way to understand in the fewest amount of words possible. So that's why I want to, again, share that with you. So you can check that out. It's down below or above, wherever it's linked. And after that, once we film the video for the MetaTrader, drop the video at noon, then we're going to go to the gym. Once the drop is good and I see everybody understands like that the video's up and I put it on Instagram and do all that stuff, make sure you follow me right here. Once I do all that, then we go to the gym. After the gym, come back, we're going to do some pictures for thumbnails, right? Get that done. Then you're going to the dentist because somebody starts Invisalign today. She's happy. And then tonight is the third session. You guys saw it last week, the third session with Edgar and Kobe for our one-on-ones. We have 5 total sessions. They booked 5 with me. So today is night 3. They've actually had the course now and had time to watch it over the last week, so I'm excited to see where they're at. And Edgar sent me a message yesterday. He's feeling really motivated, really excited, so I think it's going to be a good call tonight. And then that's it. Today, no pool. Unfortunately, everybody, Drop a comment below if you're sad, like I am, that we don't make it to the pool, but at least we make it to the gym.
Too much to do today.
Too much to do. But let's do the call right, and then let's film this video.
Okay.
So I'm gonna call Mark.
Sounds good.
All right, guys, we just finished the premiere. We had some people asking questions in the chat. I really appreciate everybody who shows up live to do the premiere thing with me on YouTube. It's fun. So since it's over, I can tell you about the offer for next week's webinar. Next Wednesday, 8/21 is the date. At 7 p.m., we're hosting our first webinar. Now, in this webinar, I'm going to be discussing an unreleased chapter of the ASFX course. So when you purchase your ticket, not only are you going to get access to sit in the webinar with me next Wednesday night, but I'm actually going to give you the entire ASFX course as well. I want you to watch all the chapters before we get to next week's webinar and go take it a step further with this, like I said, unreleased brand new chapter that I have for you. Not only am I going to give you the entire course, but I'm also going to give you access to our VIP Telegram group. So after the course and after the webinar, you'll have the course forever to watch, plus you'll have access to a group chat of me and other traders from around the world who are making money using this system every day. So they're there for the accountability, they're there to answer questions, and I'm always sending chart markups and education for everybody throughout the day, almost every day, to make sure everybody's staying on the same page and feeling like they're learning and growing and making money, which is the most important thing. So again, next Wednesday, 8/21, it's a live webinar for only 50 people, but I already sold 3, so we're down to 47 seats. There's more information with the link in the description. You're gonna get the seat on the webinar, the entire ASFX course, and access to the VIP chat. This is like one of the best offers that I've ever come up with. I was pretty proud of myself, pretty creative, but I wanna help you guys. So you're gonna get the group chat, you're gonna get the course, and then the live webinar with the brand new unreleased information with me next week, Wednesday night. So if you wanna find out more, hit the link in the description, and hopefully I'll see you there next Wednesday. Well, everything was going great today. It's still going great. Things are fine, but Instagram disabled my account. Literally, as I go to post the Instagram TV video of the YouTube video that just premiered, like you just saw me all excited videotaping about it. As I go to post that video, it says it logs me out. So I go to check my Instagram, that logged me out too. Both apps logged me out, IGTV and the regular Instagram. So now I'm talking to Facebook trying to get my account back, but I gotta write this damn number on a piece of paper, take a picture of myself half naked. Who knows what else I gotta do to try to get my account back. Riley's way more upset than I am. I'm getting this account back. I'm not worried about it. So I called my friend JP because he helps me with my Instagram stuff. He just texted me, look at this. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at least 5 right there. Like 6 accounts impersonating me. Just give me my account back and give me a blue check. Watch this. It's gonna be a great day. I'm gonna get my blue check. Because they're gonna be like, wow, Austin, I'm sorry for giving you such a headache all this time. Here's your blue check. Because we know you're the real you and people will stop getting scammed now. Instagram, step it up. All right, everybody, mid-afternoon update. She's back with her Invisalign on. She's 4 to 6 months, right?
Yep.
Away from perfectly straight teeth.
They put all these buttons on my teeth to help them move faster, and they had to shave down the one side of the one tooth to make room. Yeah. So, I'm glad that that's going well. Things in here, not so well. Talking to Facebook on here. Riley's talking to people on her DMs. We're trying to get the account back. I'm messaging somebody that works at Facebook right now, trying to, I don't even know.
The day we put out the freaking free chapter where everybody's gonna be so excited to talk to us and want to take the course, Instagram shuts down our main pillar of business.
I know.
Whatever, keep it moving. I said to Riley, I'm like, Riley's literally, I swear, she's more worried about it than me. I'm like,
got me in the background selfieing my teeth.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. Whatever it is, we'll hit Twitter hard, we'll hit YouTube hard, we'll hit Snapchat hard, we'll keep moving forward. So that's that. All right, guys, I'm getting ready to do the coaching session with Edgar and Kobe. It is about a little after 7 o'clock at night. The day definitely didn't turn out as expected, but we are optimistic that we'll get the account back. I feel really good that we'll build a strong community here on YouTube. I think that if people want to find me, they're going to know how to find me with Google and everything else. I'm still on Twitter. I'm still everywhere else. I think people will find me. So I'm not too worried about it. Like I said, I think Riley is more than me. We'll be fine. So we're going to really turn a focus towards YouTube here. Maybe start doing daily videos, stuff like that. So I might have to readjust. But that's what the vlog is for, to show you guys the not so pretty side of things. So, all right, guys. So it is Wednesday. you saw there with that last clip, Monday night, we went to bed still not having the Instagram account back. So Tuesday, we woke up and we just decided we have to keep moving forward. Hit YouTube, hit Twitter, hit Snapchat, do everything else. And we were building our plan of attack, how we were gonna get people signed up for the webinar in a week, right? And as we were doing that, we got the Instagram back. So we reached out a few different ways, but I have to give Riley, behind the camera, turn around, show it. Turn the camera around.
They don't need to see me right now.
I have to give Riley full credit because Riley actually found a girl who worked for Facebook, was at the Instagram headquarters. She only had like 400 followers. Riley reached out to her. Riley saved the day. She got the Instagram back because that girl DM'd her back and fixed it and got the whole thing done. So if that girl, if you're listening, thank you. I really appreciate it. I'm glad to have this back. We're definitely going to sell out for the webinar next week. So if you're looking for more information on that, you want to get started trading with us, I've got a great offer for you. You guys can hit the link in the description to the video. I appreciate you watching all the way through. We lost the Instagram, we got it back, and now we're living. Got my haircut today, from the beginning of the video to now. Got my haircut in the garage, which was cool. This guy Austin came over, so life is good. We're back, we're clean, we're ready to roll. So check out the description for more info on the webinar. It's a week from today, next Wednesday, August 28th. Hopefully I'll see you there.